Man by nature is selfish. Uunahin niya ang sarili niya. Whether you agree or not, it doesn't change the nature. Selfish talaga ng tao. Let's now dive deeper sa nature of man. Kasi, sa totoo lang, we are studying human beings. Nagkataon lang talaga sa setting natin ngayon, nasa business setting tayo. But at the end of the day, we are studying human beings and we are essentially studying ourselves. You've heard of emotional intelligence? This is not a prelude to emotional intelligence. Understanding human nature. Kasi ang number one sa emotional intelligence, number one pillar is self-awareness. Di ba meron tayo ganyan? Good and bad? Good and evil pa nga eh. Complete the sentence. Man by nature is... Grabe naman, polygamous agad. Lalaki kasi. That's another topic. By nature, polygamous talaga lalaki. We're talking about man as a whole, babae lalaki. Man by nature is... imperfect. Debbie. Tama. Man by nature is selfish. Uunahin niya ang sarili niya. Yes, naman. Whether you agree or not, it doesn't change the nature. Selfish talaga ng tao. So kung selfish yung tao ako eh. Logic. Man by nature is selfish. I am a human being. Therefore, I am logic 101 yan. I am selfish. Your people are selfish. You are selfish. Hindi kasi tanggapin yun. We agree against other people. And that is selfishness in action. And no one can escape that. Even I can't escape that. Ang advantage ko lang is I've been doing this for a long time. Kasi already, nalaro ka eh. Ang laro ganito. Kailangan, kita mo sarili mo. Kaso, ang hirap mong makita sarili mo. Kasi yung mata mo nakatingin sa labas. The more you look inward, the better your vision. Kaya reflection lagi yung binibenta. Mag-reflect tayo. Which is hard to do. Kasi nga, puro ka palabas eh. Hindi na problema, hindi na kasalanan, bakit nangyari yun? Balik tayo dito.